And there they are. Oh, here comes one. Move over here, turn the light on. There's one mom. That's half and half. Hi, kids. There's Irish Key-Gal. Hello, Irish Key-Gal. Oh, she's a little cotton poof. And that's Full Tail. Hi, Patches. And who's this? That's little Two Toes. Hello, Two Toes. And hello, Points. And here's Norman. We can't forget Norman. Hi, Norman. Hi, the giant kitten. Everybody's saying hi. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, climbing up on me. That's their little cage. Look, toy. Hang on. Don't you want to play with the toy? They usually like toys. Oh, there we are exploring. Who's climbing on me? Hello, Norman. And these little Two Toes. Oh, and there's Cotton Puff. You can see why she's called that. And a cute little baby. A cute little baby. And here's my girl. Hello. Hello, half and half. There's Patches. Aha, there's Patches in the window. She likes to escape the children. Hi, kids. Oh, look at the little baddie. Look at the baddie. We got a Norman belly. Oh, I'm getting kisses. Thank you. Thank you. Look at the Norman belly. Hi. Uh-oh, the battery's about to die. So look at your little face. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Hello, Minga. There's the little creep feeder. There's the little creep for the feeder. Hey, Bug Kitten, how you doing? It's much warmer in here than it was, huh? There's little Bendy in there. Hey, look, she's standing up. It's okay, little Six Toes. Six Toes hasn't eaten much today. You want to show off your little Six Toes? There's your little face. Hello. Look at those toes. Come on. Look at those cute little toes. Those big feet. She's saying, stop holding me like that. Oh, it's nice and warm in here now. Yep. I'm trying to make a Six Toes hungry today, so that hopefully this afternoon she will like some nice, yummy, semi-solid food. Little Bendy. Hey, Bendy. Oh, he can sort of walk. Walks better on a rug. And there's Ninga looking for her children. A side view of Bendy walking. There's a Ninga in the way. There's a Ninga butt. And there's a little Bendy. Hi, Ninga. It's a little Bendy. See your little face. They probably think they're supposed to be fed because I came in. And food and being warm is about all I think about. You gonna climb up? She's actually very good at climbing. And here's your Ninga, who doesn't understand why she can't nurse them. Hi! Hi! Oh, there's little Bendy there. She likes to get between my knees. A very skinny Ninga. Oh, it's downright toasty warm in here. Being adventurous. The squeaking kitten being Bendy, who I'm holding. It's all right, Bendy. She usually plays with her toys. Guess we're not in a very playful mood today. Fingers, good things to play with. She plays very nicely, no claws at all. Hi, Ninga. Heading over towards the litter pan. Nice jump. Bendy is for some reason on my foot. There. Of course, occasionally we just like to sit by the litter pan. This is very cute how she gets in. Scrabble in. Oops, our little feet are stuck. There's one. There's the other. Okay, we'll give the kids some privacy. Bendy. I wanted to get her walking. And get that while we're on tape. tried to see her walking as he went away. Back leg on the right there is the one that's really messed up. You can see how she just kind of folds at strange angles. Venga. Not on tape. Now that's very cute. Oh, and here we are, all done with the box. Hello. Mom is a very good toy. Hey, kid. Are you starving? Discovered sitting in the sun. And that's also very sweet. Look at those cute little toes. Look at all those toes. Oh, we're balancing. Good for you. Look at all them cute little toes. Oh, we're chewing on my fingers. How cute. Go ahead, chew some more. Saying I'm starving. And come up, say hi to the camera. Bendy does not play very well, and Six Toes has kind of given up playing with her. Definitely much happier now that this room is nice and warm with a space heater. Yes. No, little Six Toes is not responsible for those scratches. No, she is not. Uh-oh. Still coughing a little, huh? Yes. What is this thing, huh? You just don't know. Here we see all 7 kittens in this box. Whoop, 6 kittens in the box. If you look very closely, you can see that half and half. Absolutely buried. 5 kittens in the box. And where, you might ask, is Miss Patches hiding? Well, let's see. Why, there she is, happily by herself there, in the carrier. And hello, Erishki gal, my sweet little black tortie girl. There's the little scale I used to weigh them. There's my knee. Hey, baby. This little baby here is just incredibly loving. Unfortunately, she also likes to drool on my notes. Hey, let me close that. Let's close our notes. We were having kitten weighing. Hey, you can see that little thumb there. Yes. Hi. Gonna hop up and show off your thumbs? Well, hello there. Whoops, didn't mean to startle you. Let's see how other people's are doing. It's a giant squirming mass of kittens. Oh, there's a little cotton poof head. There's two toes peeking out. Poor little two toes is not feeling very well. Nice jump. He has a vet appointment today along with Norman because he has poor little goopy eyes. Can we see those little goopy eyes? Come here. Poor little eye. Yes, good boy. He's a little more chipper than he was this morning. Then I gave him some meds. This is one of this little kitten's favorite things to do. Perch on my foot. This is the kitten with the full tail. Doesn't really have a name. Hi, sweetheart. Wonderful baby. And here's Norman. Hey, Norman. He was such a big, fat, huge, obese kitten. You can see his little eyes goopy too. He's also going to the vet. He's still the biggest one, but just by a couple ounces. Say hi to the camera, Norman. Say hi, look at my goopy eye. Look at those beautiful swirls. Hey, how am I supposed to show off your swirls? Look at those beautiful swirls. Look at that cute little butt. Looks like some of the kittens are getting a snack. Hello, Points. That's Point sitting up there. Very pretty tabby Point. Happy nursing kittens. Happy Mama. Well, actually kind of squished Mama. It seems that Patches has stopped nursing them entirely, and I wonder if she's run out of milk, because she just kept backing away from nursing until poor little half and half here is the only one. Well, hello, Irish Gal. Don't know if the mic can pick up all the happy little kitten purries that are going on. Hi, Points. Hi, half and half. Hi, Cotton Poof. She is so fluffy. I just call her Cotton Poof. And she has little tiny short legs. What's this, huh? What's this? Hi, Cotton Poof. Back up a little bit here. Gonna come out so the camera can see you. You're so pretty. Cotton Poof is actually a very healthy little kitten. A rare thing in this collection. The three little guys here are pretty healthy. It's Cotton Poof and the one with the full tail here, and I don't see thumbs anywhere. It's probably somewhere in that mass of nursing kittens. I think that's him on the end. To the right of the black one. points is not terribly unhealthy. She had one episode of rotting kitten disease, but it was confined to one foot and 2 sores, and it went away pretty quick. Let's see your pretty tail. You're not going to show us your pretty tail? There's a tail. Lots of orange on her. Sweet little girl. Hi! I have little peoples climbing all over me. Hello, Two Toes. Yeah, thought there was somebody over there. Hello, little full tail. Oops. Somebody's chirping. Who's chirping? Who's chirping? Norman likes to talk when he's in the litter box. Ah, that is the kitten proofing, because there is an electrical cord there. The room with Ninga, the electric isn't working, so we had to run some extension cords. And to prevent the kittens from eating them, Erica's under the rug. And then there's a little box around the outlet itself and the plugs. This is the extensive kitten feeding station with lots and lots of dishes for lots of kittens. And the little blue bowl there has regular cat chow in it for Patches. The little container there is full of the IM's kitten food. And Patches is still in the box. Probably can't see her very well. And who's bouncing on me? Look at those cute little feet. Look at those cute little feet. And they're attached to a cute little kitten. And there's a cute little Two Toes. And there, you can see his back foot is why he's called Two Toes. That's where he had to have the toes amputated when he was just a couple days old. You doing okay over there, Norman? Looks like you're building sandcastles. Somebody is tugging on the lens cap. I wonder who that could be. Look at that sweet little face. And no Two Toes. How you doing over there, buddy? You doing all right? He makes a very big production out of the litter box. A dirty spot on you. Let's get that off. What is that? Just a piece of food. Okay. Now let's see. That's the cage, so that when I have to go in the attic, we can stuff them all in there. You can see it's got their kitty bed, and it's got a little box for them to play in. It's got a towel, and that's a little ferret hammock that they like. The fan in the window. That's the tiny thing that I made with the perch on top. Kittens can't reach that yet. Assorted toys, my camera, a box. Going around the room here. Little climby stump. And another litter box. And a climby scratchy thing. Oh, it looks like we've gone to sleep. Let's see. See if I can inch over here without dislodging the kitten in my lap. Oh, there's a little mama. There's the kittens. Can barely see Irish Keagle. There's not an ear. Okay, we'll let the kitten sleep. And here's Norman. Oh, he was playing with the toy. Oh, don't disturb them. Here, play with the toy. Not being very good about this toy thing, is he? I think we're about to wake up the other kittens. Just a little foothold, and whoops, nice save. on in. Sit on Mom. Well, actually, Patches is his mom, but close enough. Oh, there's Patches out of the box. Hey, Patches. Brrr. Hey, Patches. You want to turn around so we can see you? Very nice little torty point. Oh, Patches. There we go. Hello, little girl. Sit up better so I'm not trembling everywhere. You're going to go on top of the box, you're going to go in the box. You're thinking. On top. Patches likes to be up. Probably because the kittens can't get there. And while she was an absolutely wonderful mother for the first month, I think she got burned out. It's supposed to half and half. It was a horrible mother and sat on her children for the first month. I guess now they're big enough that if she sits on them, it doesn't matter. Oh, look. There's little two toes. Boop, 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 boop. And there's little you in my lap. So cute. Join the kitten pile. And I think that'll do it for today. There's a cute little six toes. Well, she had been playing on her scratching post. And then we put her back there. Bendy, where are you? Seems to have lost a kitten. There. Okay. So good little Bendy. Inga seems to have taken a vacation. Going to have to get her. Good little Bendy. Come on. Come on, Bendy. There we go. Good little girl. Boy, sorry. Okay, I gotta go find Inga. Okay, little cute. I shall leave you here. Here we have little Norman and Two Toes. They just came back from the local vet, Dr. Maddox, who is worried that they might have rhinotracheitis. Oh, and there's Zio. So, yeah, they definitely have an upper respiratory thing going on and goopy eyes. So they are separated from the other